Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing okay. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded anything on this channel. Um, a lot of you guys, by the way, first, let me just say thank you to all those who took their time to to send their condolences to me and my family. Thank you so very much for that. And another thing I need to address is, um, I don't know. It seems a lot of you guys have some questions regarding the Streamer app. It's been a while since the it's been updated. I think it's been a couple of weeks now. And I noticed as well that some of the channels are not really working as best as they could. Um, Maybe as this one, for example, a few months ago, there were loads of channels here, but for some reason, it's just the other ones still work. Some of them anyway. Yeah, the other ones actually still work. But a lot of you guys as well did ask about the Movie Pro. Sadly, I don't know, it's not taking any donation, or the creator is not taking any donations at the moment, and so far it hasn't been updated for some time now. Most of you did ask if there were other apps we could upload using Sideloadly to Apple, and the answer is yes. I did find a few, such as this one. It's called SCC. I think it's called hold on a second. Um, something community something community app. Hold on, and that's it there. I actually really like this app. It's clean. It's well, I don't know. It's literally kind of like browsing through Netflix or Amazon. I just like how clean and well made it is. But unfortunately, I haven't been able to get it to work. I think it's a German site. It's a German creator, I think. There's here in the setting, I managed to find my way onto their website, and but for some reason I still can't subscribe to the channel itself. It keeps on telling me remaining days of your subscription is zero. There's no way to make any payment and stuff like that. I've tried playing most of the movies, such as this one here. Anytime I click on play, um, I don't know, it just brings up a lot of these streaming tabs, and if I click on any of it, nothing happens. If I click on the HD app play as well, I do the same thing. Um, it just stays there like that, and nothing happens. So I don't know if anybody know about this app. Please do comment in the section there. So I'm still looking into it anyway. I'm gonna put the link to the IPA, where to download it, and I'm sure a lot of you guys already know how to upload it. You just the same thing as we always do here. You use Sideloadly, and then just put the IPA there, connect it to your, make sure the network is connected from the with the Sideloadly with your Apple TV, and then just click on the start, and then it's upload. And I found out how to upload Kudi as well. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with Kudi. Um, it's there. So I'm gonna do the next video on how to upload Kudi on the Apple TV, and how to input the add-ons to watch live shows, live TVs and movies and all that stuff. But like I say, I really do like this SCC um, app, but I still don't know how to get it to work properly. I'm still looking into the streamer. Um, Sadly, I have no way of contacting the creator. I think they just disappeared for some reason, and no donations have been accepted. Nothing, no donation has been accepted at the moment. But most of the apps still works. I'm sorry, most of the channels still works, such as Podlocker. Yeah, most of them still work. I did watch Equalizer last night, which was amazing. Even though half of it was in Italian and there was no subtitle, but yeah, it was. Sorry, my internet is very bad here. I live by the countryside, so it does take a while. But yeah, it was. It's gonna play now. Yeah, there it is. Equalizer 3. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go now. Um, you guys take care of yourselves, and until the next one. So like I said, I'm gonna make a video on how to upload Kudi. And again, if anybody know how to subscribe to this SCC app, do let me know. Thank you so very much, guys, and take care of yourselves. Bye.